My name is Gabriela James. I go to IU Northwest and I'm currently majoring in chemistry and Spanish and minoring in biology. My hometown is Cedar Lake, Indiana. My story actually doesn't start in Cedar Lake, Indiana. It doesn't start even in the US. It actually starts in Mexico. My father came over when he was 14 years old, along with my uncle. And that courage that he found to progress and to just get out of poverty is just inspiring for me. I come from generations of uneducated people. Most of them don't even have an elementary school education. I want to see something different. I want to make a difference and an impact. And so I decided that that chain of uneducated people in my family has to stop somewhere. I chose IU Northwest because it was very close to home. Going away from home was really something really tough for me, and I saw the opportunities at IU Northwest are pretty much the same or even better than in other universities. That pride of getting an IU education and knowing that you're from IU is just incredible. I've made connections that will definitely last a lifetime. I think and I hope that I left a legacy of empowering others. Empowering in the fact that if you feel like you can't continue on with your education or you see yourself in such a tight situation, that there always is a light at the end of the tunnel. There's been numerous amount of times where I would just sit down and just cry and be like, why? Why am I doing this? Is college really for me? But it is, because that's the way that I will be able to get to that point, to get to the point of success, and to get to the point where other students or other Latinos around me will be able to see that and also join into that trend. I am thinking about going to medical school in Guadalajara, Mexico. When I become a full doctor, I am thinking about opening up a clinic for women who have experienced domestic violence, children who are impoverished, even underage pregnancies. As the first person out of my whole family to graduate from college, it is a moment of just celebration. It's a moment that is so meaningful and so symbolic because all the work that my ancestors have put through, my parents have put through, people around me have put through, the people who have shaped me to be the person that I am today, it's all going to be something for good, and it's going to be used to impact others. To me, that point of graduation isn't my end point. It's actually a beginning.